Today I'm cosplaying as Alice, if you want to see the costume. I thought it'd be fun. So I'm quite loud, the scarf is really loud. The colour's really nice though. Like, you know what, I would consider dyeing my hair this colour, but I think it does wash me out quite a bit. But yeah, what do you think of the makeup? If you do want to see a look on it, let me know. Yeah, I did this at like 6 AM, so I wasn't in the mood to film then, and so I'm not gonna, so I thought at least let me just show you now if you want to see it or not. Yeah, it's not that hard to do. It's just like the bow is like a normal headband. It's just a normal headband. And the scarf style, I put my real hair like up there, like in 2 ponytails, and then I just put it up. So then that way the scarf sort of like looks more like hair-like, I guess. Just more like puffy. Yeah, so you can see it. Let me know what you think. But yeah, this is it. But yeah, thank you. I'm sorry, it's gonna be a quick video because it's not really a tutorial, just to show you, I guess, to give you more inspiration if you have any ideas. So thank you for watching.